Good morning, ninjas. I am making this video in order to show you how to use Vericite and how to actually read our Vericite reports. And what Vericite is, it's our anti-plagiarism software that's now built into Canvas, and it's going to be in all your assignments. It's very easy to set up, and it's very easy to determine if somebody is plagiarizing their work. So first, let's go into an assignment and look at how to set it up. So as you can see, I have these two assignments created. They're very creative names. We'll click on one and we're going to go into edit. So just like you would create a regular assignment or go into an existing assignment, and we're going to scroll down to where we have submission type. And right down here, we have enable Vericite submissions. All you do is have to click that. The key here is we have to have text entry or we have to have file uploads. Vericite cannot do anything with a website URL or media recordings. It can only work with these two submission types. We also have some advanced Vericite settings that you really don't have to worry about. So again, we click into our advanced Vericite settings and we've got exclude quoted material. This would be useful if your students are going to be citing quotes from a text. If you do not want them citing quotes from a text, an excellent way to check to see if they're doing that is to exclude quoted material. Unclick that so that it includes it. Exclude self-plagiarism. What this is going to cover is them copy and pasting something of their own work. Maybe something from the first paragraph, putting it into the third paragraph, something like that. And we want to store those submissions in the institutional index. We want to keep those submissions anyway, so leave this one alone. So we click Update Settings. Once we have that done, we're going to click Save. And that's all you have to do. Now, if you want to see the submission itself, we're going to go into SpeedGrader. And you can see that I have an assignment here that I put into it. And this is going to be where it shows what our Vericite score is. Our Vericite score is 84% in this case because I copy and pasted this straight from the Vericite website. So if we click on this, it'll take us to the actual report that'll show you what was plagiarized. So we let it do its thing, and you can see all of these highlighted sentences in pink are considered a high match, which makes sense considering I copied and pasted it from a website directly. If you want to see where specifically it came from, you can click on individual sentences and it'll pull up where those things came from. This is coming from vericite.com, as you can see, just like I said it was. So we've got that, and we can shut this right off, and then we're back into our settings, or into our SpeedGrader. This takes about, I would say, 15 to 20 minutes in order to get your report. So if a student gives you a call and says, I just uploaded an assignment, please check it for me. Wait about 20 minutes, and then your Vericite report will be there. Remember, this also works in file uploads. So we're going to go back and try and get a file upload. I have another assignment that has a file upload. We'll go back again and again. And it's this one. In this case, I did a document. I uploaded a document as my assignment. If I go into SpeedGrader, you'll notice we have the exact same thing. We'll have the 80% for our similarity score. We can click on it and go and see the report, and this, you can see, is the exact same paper that I used last time. With this score, I would not concern myself too much with between 10 and 25%. Anything over 25%, I would definitely check into it and see what is happening. There's a lot of times where it will just find a simple sentence and that'll be considered plagiarism. And it might not be plagiarism. It might just be similar to something else. It might be coincidental. So I would worry about this score if we're over 10 to 25%. I would lean more toward the 25% range. If you have any questions, please let me know. Remember, this is quick and easy to set up. All we have to do is go into Edit and put a check mark into Enable Vericite Submissions. And make sure, again, file uploads and text entries only. It will not allow you to put check marks in here and continue. Thank you very much. Have a good day.